How to use Apple Pay on OnlyFans. Now, if you go ahead and access OnlyFans official site and logged into your account and heading directly to either subscriptions or add a card, there is no option as to adding an Apple Pay as one of your payment method. So here's what you will be doing. From your Apple Pay, you have to request a physical card. So access your Apple Pay account and just request to have a physical card. So once your card has been delivered, this is going to be the time that you will add your Apple Pay from your OnlyFans. Now in here, just head to add card and add a payment card. So if you already have the physical card on hand, just simply key in or input all the details that you have from the card, like your full address, including the country, the state or province, and then the email address associated with your OnlyFans account, and as well as the name printed on the card number, the expiration date of the card, the CVC or the CVV code on your card, and don't forget to tick this small circle right here and just click on submit. So that's it. That's the most convenient way of using your Apple Pay on OnlyFans.